I want to give you a few warnings before you go ahead and register your own business. Please, please, please don't second guess your options when you register your business, because this will have an impact on the taxes that you will pay and on your asset protection. Often I see people coming to me, and when I take over the registration, I can see some really bad things, like they've added their spouse on the business when they didn't need to be there, they've picked the wrong tax option for VAT, they've picked the wrong protection. So don't second guess. You've made loads of progress by moving to France and landing here. Take the time to make sure those choices mean something to you. Don't pick random boxes. My second warning is not to rush into creating your business ASAP, just to realize 1 month later that you are going to be changing houses, or the activity that you've listed isn't really the one that you want to be doing. Because with INPI, it's okay to create a business, but the business update for an expat is a nightmare, simply because they've added some security tools where they're going to check your ID, and unfortunately that ID check is gone through a website that French people only have access once they start declaring their income tax. So you have the France Connect, which is a nightmare for expats. If you don't have a social security, you don't have an income, an impôt account, that's going to be pretty bad. So there's a few loops to go through this, but it is really tricky and time consuming. So if you landed in France and you know that in a month's time or 3 weeks time you're about to move houses, move house, and then register the business with the new address, unless you've already signed the contract with the new address. Same thing in terms of activity. Really think hard about what you want to do. Is what you're choosing now what you want to be doing in 3 months?